Okay. Now, a nice little thing you can do with palpation here, stomach 41 too. This is a nice thing to do. Let's say you put some hand points in. It can be for any type of condition. Maybe you're working the Yang Ming system and you're thinking about needling these points here. Maybe you've done Ling Gu and Dao Bai in that third point in the middle. Maybe you've done 2. Maybe you've done 3. Maybe you've done a combination like, you can do Ling Gu and Li4 and Sanjiao 5. Maybe you've done that for a digestive thing, or maybe you've done Ling Gu, Li4, and Sanjiao 6 for constipation. You're thinking about doing some needles down here. Well, a nice little thing you can do, and this is kind of similar to doing pattern identification. I think it is a form of pattern identification. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my thumb on stomach 41, right? And then from there, I'm first going to palpate down the liver line between the first and second metatarsals. And I might even do that a few times, just to get a sense of how sensitive it is. Okay, and you can go up and down one line several times, or if you want to be quick about it, go down the liver line and then go back to stomach 41 and then go down the second line, the stomach meridian, right, and palpate that, and then go back to stomach 41 and then palpate down that between the third and fourth toe. Now, we don't needle that line really. Like I have before just to see what will happen, but that one's a little more difficult to needle, and you don't need to, okay? And then go back to stomach 41, and then palpate again down the gallbladder line, right? And then just compare those. And that's a nice thing to do. If you're doing it slow, I kind of race through it there, but does that feel nice, Shao? If I just it's like a nice foot massage technique. She's going to enjoy it. And then I'm going to find exactly what points I want. Now, each time I massage down a line, it's going to desensitize her a bit, which is good for when I put my needle in. But it's also going to sort of uncover some things too. Like I may notice that there's tension first in one area, and I think, oh, maybe that's a good one. But then if I do this a couple times, maybe one of the points will become less sensitive. And I might find that what I initially thought was the best point, actually it's looking like it's going to be better to needle the gallbladder meridian rather than the stomach. So I might do liver and gallbladder rather than the Yang Ming stomach and Jue Yin set. Okay, so we've got the Jue Yin Yang Ming set where you can needle the liver line and the stomach line, or we've got the internal-external relationship with the liver and gallbladder. So if it's digestive, I may be more inclined to needle the liver and the stomach lines because of the Jue Yin Yang Ming digestion connection. But if it's neurological or the Shao Yang symptoms are affected, I'm probably going to needle the liver and gallbladder lines instead. Okay.
For headaches.
What's that?
More headaches.
For headaches or anything neurological, or if that Zongfu pattern is present, then I would be more inclined to do that. So that's a nice little technique. It feels great. Stomach 41, down the lines, palpate, assess, and then make your choice. Rather than going and thinking in your head, oh yeah, stomach 45 is a great choice, I'm going to do that point. Well, see how that compares next to those other lines.